Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the month of September 2020. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Sagittarius, let's start your reading. This is for the Sagittarius people for the month of September 2020. So let's see what is coming for the Saggies. What is coming for the Sagittarius? Ooh, see what's coming. Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Wow. What's coming for the Sagittarius? What's coming for the Sagittarius? Okay, Four of Cups, but in the reverse. Okay, let's take it like that. Let's cut the deck for you guys. Ooh, Queen, Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Emperor. Okay, Justice. So many cups energies are here. Maybe some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Pisces is here with the Hanged Man, Seven of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Star, Aquarius energy, Page of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Beautiful. And here is the Hermit card, which is the Virgo energy. Maybe some of you are dealing with a Virgo, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, and Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Okay. Yeah, this is. I'm feeling that with the Ace of Cups and the Four of Cups reverse are telling me that definitely something very beautiful is coming your way. A new love offer, maybe a new person who's offering you the love, and it's true love. Like they don't have any kind of mean intentions behind that. No, it's true, pure love. And no more rejection. With the Four of Cups, you are very consciously active right now. Like you are making your decision very consciously, and you know that, yeah, no more rejection. No more rejection with the Four of Cups. You're now looking at all the opportunities which are surrounding you, which is beautiful. And this is one of the opportunities for you, and which is the Knight of Cups. Maybe someone is coming for you for this new love offer, and they don't want rejection from your side. They don't want rejection. Okay, what is this Knight of Cups here? I want to know for the Sagittarius. Ooh, ooh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, Sagittarius, see, Six of Cups. So yeah, Sagittarius, I was telling you the Six of Cups bottom of the deck, and I'm feeling that this is a big shift in your energy. And see, Wheel of Fortune with the transformation, it's a big change coming your way, and you are on the verge of taking some kind of action or making some kind of decision. This is beautiful. See, it's very important decision of your life that will change the whole life of yours. The Wheel of Fortune and the transformation, it's amazing. Wow, it's amazing. I'm very happy to see this card. Okay, let's see what is this Emperor here for the Sagittarius. What is this Emperor here for the Sagittarius people? Wow. It's a Leo. Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. Someone is continuously thinking about you because you are the Queen of Pentacles here. Yeah, you're not making any move. You know, things are coming to you. You are in the receiving energy. That's great. With the Emperor energy, this Emperor really wants to shine the light on you. You have so many options already. With the Seven of Cups energy, this is you have Sagittarius, you have so many options in front of you, but you are waiting for the right one, and I'm feeling that this is the right one. maybe your soulmate, because sun is the soul energy and the emperor is very provider, and you are on the receiving side. So yeah, definitely this is your match coming your way. Wow. Maybe a Leo, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. Sagittarius is here, Aries here, and Scorpio here. Yeah, Pisces here, Libra, Aquarius. Where is this justice here for the Sag? Sun energy with the Wheel of Fortune. It's a beautiful good news coming your way, Sagittarius. Justice, beautiful. Three of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Magician. Okay, see, Patience, which is the Temperance energy, Temperance of the Tarot, Sagittarius. Yeah, you were okay. You were very focused on your stability, on your money, yeah, on your work. This is pure work, like on your business or something you have started recently. You're very busy, and you want to make it having that progress. You want to gain that progress in your life for this specific situation. Yeah, that's why you are the Magician here. Magician with the Three of Pentacles, definitely so much hardworking and using your intuition for making it better, for having that progress, getting that progress. Yeah, someone around you is not happy with the Five of Swords energy, and maybe they are the competitors and they want competition with you, but you're not interested in that. You're not interested. You're just very focused on yourself. That's it. What is the Hangman here for the Sagittarius? What is the Hangman? Temptation, Fool, Two of Wands. Yeah, you want to have a really fresh start because you have recently started something about like business or something like that, and with the Sun card, it's really a new thing for you. I'm feeling that you are right now, because Wheel of Fortune is also ending of a cycle and starting of a new one, definitely. So I'm feeling that you are ending this cycle of this karmic energy with this temptation, because this is the Devil of the Tarot, which is the Capricorn energy, Saturn energy, which rules karma. So definitely you are ending this, because this karmic energy was a reason of delaying things in your life, and you just don't want to delay anymore your beautiful happy things, because you are moving towards the stability, which is great. So that's why you want new fresh things for you, beautiful, maybe relationships, new relationships. This is beautiful. This is amazing. See, these are the divine cards. Divine is with you. Okay, so let's see what is the Seven of Wands here, right in the heart of your spread. What is the Seven of Wands here for the Sagittarius? Too much, because and I didn't see any one of this, so it's too much. What is the Seven of Wands here? Please, clear message for the Sagittarius. Please give me the clear message. Give me the clear message for the Sagittarius. What is the Seven of Wands here for the Sagittarius for the month of September? Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. Yeah, that's why you're resisting. You're resisting these things. You're resisting this waiting period. You're resisting this stuckness. You're resisting this headache, because these had made you stuck before, and now you just want to cut these things out of your life, and you are resisting these kind of things, these kind of energies, these kind of person, people, whatever. You are resisting these bad energies, and you are not letting these things in your circle, which is good. Where is the Star energy for the Saggies? Where is the Star energies for the Sagittarius? See, World card. You want new things. You want new. Okay, Eight of Swords, Chariot. Wow. Okay, so Sagittarius, yeah, new things are coming your way. When you come out of this stuckness, because you are coming out of your slowly but surely you're coming out of it. But for some of you, I'm feeling that you have had this experience of stuckness, and you just don't want it. You just don't want it. You just want some things to flow. You just want some swiftness in your life, and that's coming your way. Because World card, Chariot, and the Star, it's beautiful energy. Your destiny is giving you that thing which you are waiting for, and this is a new thing, new chapter of your life. And Chariot is the success, triumphant energy. You're going towards your success. No more this, and no more this, and no more this. No more this bad energy of the swords. Okay. What is this Ace of Pentacles here for the Sagittarius? Ace of the Pentacles for the Saggies. It's beautiful. Woo! Ooh, wow. Hierophant. 10 of Swords. Okay. 2 of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, it's intense for some of you. See, strength. So some of you, I'm feeling that you're building up the courage to end a commitment, maybe a long-term partnership with this Hierophant present here, because you think that this is not serving you, and you are just playing the role of a victim in this kind of relationship, and it's not making you happy. See, 10 of Swords, it's not making you happy. So you want to end this and you want to start something new. Yeah, this is for some Sagittarius who just want something new in their life, and they are fed up from the old schedule of their life, their routine, their mundane. They are fed up of that, and they just want something new, and they are ready for that new thing. Okay, this is beautiful. So yeah, Sagittarius, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.